So it's been almost 3 months now since I've had my hip replacement surgery, and I'm doing well. I'm walking good. I'm walking normal. I've lost the limp pretty much, and I have no pain, almost no pain at all. Once in a while I can tell if I've overstressed it, if I've kind of overdone it sometimes during the day. But for the most part, everything's going well. I've done a lot of glute med exercises to strengthen the walk, and a lot of the little unglamorous type stabilizing exercises. One thing that I've found just recently too is I use the golfer squat quite a bit to use my good leg and put the bad leg out straight as I would squat down with the right leg, the good leg, to pick up things off the floor. And I realized that I pretty much lost that ability on my bad leg side. So I started developing that, and I'm going to show you an exercise that is really progressing nicely with me. I started out with really light weights, but just basically picking something off the ground, using one leg out straight and the other leg is going down to a squat. This is more advanced. It's not something you want to do right after surgery, and I didn't start this until about 10 weeks after my surgery. So take a look at this. Let me know in the comments what you think, if there's any questions you have. So this is kind of a cross between a single leg deadlift or suitcase deadlift and a single leg squat, and I really call it the golfer squat. But I'm going to take my good leg. My good leg is going to be straight. This is actually the leg that you want to keep from bending more than 90 or 90 and beyond. And then what I'm doing now is I'm strengthening my weak leg by picking up a lightweight dumbbell or an object and just taking it down to the ground. This is my weakness right here. I'm pretty weak right here. I'm not going to even use a heavier weight yet at 3 months out, because I haven't developed the muscles for that movement yet. Even though I'm very stable on that leg, I just don't have that stability yet going down into that position. Because before, right after my surgery, in order to pick anything up off the ground, I had to straighten out my bad leg and reach down with my good leg to pick things up, and you can see the big difference with the good side. So that's it. Kind of an advanced exercise for post-surgery.